In the previous episode, Mary and Claire continued to explore how to measure openness by creating an angle that was 3.5 gips. In this episode, they reflect on how to measure openness and what this measure offers.
Talk me through that, and then I can ask you some more questions.
I don't know about you. I'm still kind of solid on my idea of openness. Like, we've kind of been measuring everything the same way as what we described in the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Like, if this is an open door kind of thing.
So your mouth is closed and then you go, and then you keep going like how a clock, like you were saying in the beginning, how you think of angles like how the angles of a clock.
Yeah.
Starts, and it's like 12, and then it just keeps going.
I see. Did it make you think about degrees in a different way when we introduced gips, or like?
Yeah. Because the gips kind of made it easier.
Yeah, instead of thinking, because you can't, it's hard to think so small, like how small a degree is.
Yeah.
It's like an easier way to split it up, and then you know that each gip is 45 degrees, so you can just think of it and like it's more.
Addition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's easier to like put it together in your head.
And with how small these circles are too, like a degree on this circle would be really difficult to pinpoint since it's so small.
How would you describe what a degree is to someone else?
A degree?
Yeah.
Like, oh gosh. Like, I guess kind of the same way you would describe a gip, like it'd just be in a smaller unit.
Yeah.
Like there's 360 in a circle instead, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Or, I don't know.
Go ahead.
Like they're a more exact unit of measurement because it's smaller, so you can kind of like approximate it more perfectly, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If you're relating them to gips, we could just say what we did earlier, like 45 per gip, 45 degrees per gip, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
In this lesson, Mary and Claire explored how to measure the openness of an angle. They described the openness of an angle as being like the openness of a door. They considered how to measure the openness using two different units, the familiar unit of degrees and the unfamiliar unit of gips. To measure the openness of angles using either system, you first take a circle and divide it into equally sliced slices, like you would a pizza. The difference is that when using degrees, you slice up the circle into 360 pieces, and when using gips, you slice it up into 8 pieces. Then you can see how many slices fit inside the angle. In this case, the angle is about 117 degrees, since it covers 117 of the slices that each measure a degree. It also measures 2.6 gips, since it covers 2.6 of the slices that each measure a gip. In the next lesson, the students will explore how degrees and gips can be used to measure the amount something rotates.